Hey there, everyone. So I got Sophia, our dog, here in this puppy stroller, and just to give you an idea, Sophia weighs about 15 pounds. Hi, Sophia. And she really likes this stroller. Um, you know, she gets hot. She doesn't always like to walk the whole way, so this stroller right here works fantastic. It's really, really nice. Show you some features on it. It's got the cup holders right here. It's got your basket on the bottom. It's got your brakes, which is nice. This right here, the top here will close all the way down if you want to do that. Also, it'll unzip right there, as you can see. But another cool thing is, I'm not going to do it, but this whole bassinet thing will come off actually, so you can carry it like a baby bassinet with this handle right here. So that's a nice feature as well if you're transferring or moving from one place to the next. And then finally, as you can see, you see Sophia, this right here comes out, the seat that they sit on, and it is a water resistant material, so that works good, especially if they're muddy or their paws are muddy or something like that. It comes out easily, can be cleaned, which is really nice. But definitely recommend this doggy stroller.